Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable trading on Binance US, complete guide step by step clearly. To disable trading on Binance US, start by logging into your Binance US account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the account icon, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Account to access your account settings. From the drop-down menu, select API Management. If you do not have an API key, you will need to create one first. To create an API key, click on Create API. Follow the prompts to name your API key and complete the verification process. Once the API key is created, make sure to copy and save your secret key in a secure location. Return to the API Management section and find your newly created API key. Click on the Edit option next to your API key. You will see various permissions associated with your API key. Uncheck the box labeled Enable Trading. This action will restrict trading functionality through your API key. After making the change, ensure that you save your settings. You may also want to revoke access for any existing API keys if you no longer need them. To do this, click on Delete next to the API key you wish to revoke. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your account. Review your account settings to ensure all security measures are in place. Once completed, you will have successfully disabled trading on Binance US. Log out of your account, and you are all set. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.